Here are some examples of twist-on connectors that Dr. Ehrenstein talks about and recommends that you do not use them for a permanent fix of the aluminum wire connections because they are burning out on a regular basis. But as you can see on some of these things here, and it'll focus on, you can see here it says ALCU, so it's saying that it's rated for aluminum and copper. ALCU, you can kind of see in the reflection there, and that this is the name of it, or wire nuts. So they're also known as wire nuts. Twist-on connectors in the industry are known as wire nuts. Okay, and here's another one, rated for copper and aluminum. So they work fine for copper, but they are burning on a fairly regular basis for aluminum. This one is copper and aluminum rated as well. This one isn't. This one's just a copper one. But we've seen all types of marrettes. Anything, any color, any shape, size that are the twist-on variety are not to be used as a permanent fix, according to Dr. Ehrenstein.